Got another house in a box, just been packed, ready to go to the Cook Islands. So let's go to Rarotonga. It's actually for a retired professional rugby player. And quite a few houses for professional sportsmen over the years. This one we've decided to send, and it's all the walls and frames and trusses are pre-assembled, which makes it a lot easier when it gets to site, but it does take up more room. But you can see that everything's in here. When we go to these Pacific Islands, they don't have hardware stores that they can go and buy materials for. They have to open the doors and be able to build the house with everything that's inside. So you can see structural steel, doors, windows, gyprock, corners, half-tone skirting, all joining tapes, adhesives. Basically, everything's in here except for the personal choice items. So the things you'd normally choose yourself are not included. But we also give the option when we send the houses to these places to be able to pack them into the container if we have space. So the clients can either go to the IKEAs or the Bunnings, buy the material, and have them delivered to our warehouse, and then we'll put them into the container so that they don't have to worry about organising additional shipments and transport. It's all in one container. So on this house, we've used a 40-foot container and a 20-foot container because it's just that little bit bigger. It's a really interesting design, this one. It's got nice big great ceilings, highlight windows. And it's also in a cyclonic zone, so a lot of heavier gauge steel is required, hold downs, and it's a lot more to a cyclonic home than there is to, say, just a standard residential house. But this one's ready to go. We'll post it up to the client in a couple of days.